Welcome back again, your own channel Mind Thunder. If you are also troubled by the locking of the Android phone like Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Samsung, Poco, any type of Android phone, you can unlock without help of any computer, without visit of any service center. Then this video is going to be very special for all the viewers today. So all the viewers who are now new on this channel, I would request them to subscribe to channel. Today is the technique which we are going to unlock our phone so that none of your application data or anything will be lost, and your phone will also be unlocked without visiting any service center, my friend, without any hard resets. To see this unlocking process from beginning to end, stay on the video without escaping. Only then you will able to understand this whole process will and unlock your phone, as well as you will able to help any of your friend or any family member. So many time what happen is that when you set the password or pattern, after some hours or day you forgot the password. In case today I will tell you in a very special easy way that you can unlock your phone. So let's move on the video, but before that, put your phone on flight mode and make sure your battery percentage above 40 to 50%, because this method is offline method, and battery minimum you have to take care about the battery percentage above 40 to 50% charge, because our phone is not turned off during the unlocking process. If the phone is turned off, then you're able to application also go into the risky mode and any data can be deleted. And one more thing I want to share with you today, I am telling you password for unlocking. If it is not support, then definitely share in our comment section, because this code can also support in many handsets and may not support in many handsets. So let's start the video for unlocking process, my friend. So now you can able to see this phone is locked through the password, and below bottom on the screen you can see emergency calls option. So can call the, you have to click on it, and you can able to see emergency calls page is open. And now I'm going to tell you the secret code for unlocking for all the Android phones, and this code is star hash 908858 a star 005. After that you have to press hash. Now you have to call on this number, and you will get this pop-up message, so ignore this message. And you minimum you have to call 3 times and erase this number and apply this engineer code in engineer mode page. And you can, when you will apply this code, and you will get engineer mode page. Now this code is a star hash 899, and after that you have to press hash. When you press the hash, you will get this page, engineer mode page. So first of all, first check your software version. And software version, you can able to see android version is 12, and you can able to see factory version at the last of the list. So factory version and android version, this is the both the you have to check. Android version is 12, so you have to click on factory version 12 times. 12 times you have to press here. After that you have to come back from this option, click again on manual test, and you can able to see device debugging, and you can able to sensor self test and calibration. You have to click on it, and you can able to see I'm going to zoom gyroscope and accelerometer. Both options are not operated here, so one must have to be passed. So click on the both the option without any delay. Must one have to be passed here. So again process, apply this method, and now finally gyroscope is the past. Come back from this option and check proximity sensor test. And you can able to see note calibration is required before proximity test. So check here proximity distance must be in far mode, and crosstalk below 700, and mean value it will be fluctuating or not. You have to check on your Android phone, and come back from this option and click proximity calibration. And here asking module calibration need call devices, so you have to confirm here. Come back from this option now, and now we are going for the last process, and this page is others option, and you can able to see 4 5 option is coming here. So must have database version, you have to click 7 times. 7 times you have to click without any delay, and check rewrite important log test, asking here confirmation, please confirm. and now you can able to see key status is working. So now after completing the all the process, now it's time to check our phone whether the lock of our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button. You can able to see bottom on the mobile handset. Press the home button, and friend, as you can see, our phone is unlocked without loss of any data or application. So friend, I hope you will like this video, subscribe our channel, like and share.